There's a real sense that the leadership here, cares deeply about preserving the environmental riches. The ecological diversity is something that local leaders have great pride in.
是 known for biodiversity. Biodiversity hotspots, and the greenery is strong.
环境大健康啊，应该是密不可分的。
Embracing the theme, be part of the plan for Biological Diversity Day in 2024, a carefully structured symposium is held at Liyuan Resort, South China's Nanning on Saturday. The event aspires to synergize ecological conservation and the growth of the healthcare industry, align biodiversity protection with socio-economic advancement, and more effectively carry out the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework objectives. Let's talk to some international participants and hear about their impressions on livable and longevous Guangxi.
Guangxi has great assets to work with to promote a form of development that's more respectful to nature and leverages what nature can do for promoting healthy living. I think the connections between a healthy environment and healthy living are very evident here to see.
China has done a great job for developing new energy and for making more greenery.
We can measure the pollution that's coming down in the green is going to help people are healthier. And so maybe what's been learned here can be applied in Vietnam and Laos. And then it can build a win-win feedback.
气候变化、生物多样性保护和这个污染是国际公认的人类共同面临的三重危机，三重危机都离不开全这个人类的这个携手共同努力来。所以呢，这个国际合作，中国一直高度重视的，才一直在积极参与全球环境治理。